No, that's very exciting. When you look a little bit into the future, applications become very important and ecosystem collaborations are very important. We have the autonomous. We had the last autonomous, or we have the autonomous, always the big conference in September. We will position autonomous next year in 26 more, even in the area of highway and agricultural and together with NXP. And we are going to in a way, try to have more cross-industry synergies between automotive and these other markets. We today already work a lot with the automotive components and automotive systems. But in the area of the autonomous operations cluster, we also see that it's interesting if peers come together, and TTControl made quite an innovative concept of bringing some peers together with the same problems in a way, and can a little bit talk about what AOC is and where it's located and how it's organized.
So the AOC is the Autonomous Operation Cluster is a collaboration between 5 companies coming from different industry domains, sharing the vision to join forces. These new technologies, there are a lot of scientific problems or computer science problems to be solved, which are not so close to the typical machine problems. Our customers know how to solve them. So mastering these computer science problems, mastering the data scientist problems is something we can share between these industries. And the Autonomous Operation Cluster is exactly addressing this. So several companies come together, define problem areas, for example, the perception algorithm, the sensor fusion, sensor selection problem, and then deploy it in their machine. So it's just one-time effort to do the algorithm, to do maybe data model concepts, to do system concepts in general, and each industry can then just use it with one-time effort for 5 companies.
Yeah. So today we have 5 partners. So besides TTControl, our joint venture, it's PRINOTH. We already talked about them, snow groomers.
Yeah. And we have PALFINGER.
PALFINGER, and what PALFINGER is doing truck-mounted cranes, also a customer of TTControl, very successful player and I think market leader in this field. Then we have Ammann. It's a Swiss company for the pavers and for construction equipment. And then Rosenbauer. Yeah? And Rosenbauer is doing robots for firefighting, which is a very innovative product, but of course also the more you operate in a dangerous environment like a fire situation, the more of course autonomous systems make sense. So, and we will extend the group. So maybe at Agritechnica we can announce additional members already. So we want to make this even a bigger group. And we want to also make sure that our application development center in Brixen that we are using a lot with our customers to apply our systems. It's a service engineering business. Also is building up competence together with the AOC to be like the go-to people for the autonomous operations.
Yeah, that's very, very interesting. As I already mentioned, the computer science problems are problems one can solve for several industries. And that's exactly the offering our application development center colleagues are doing. And internally, we're also collaborating in an early stage of the product development. So the MotionAI product...
They get the product early.
They get the product early. They have to learn how to master, how to work with the product.
And they give you good feedback.
And they give me good feedback.
They find the bugs, maybe.
Well, they for sure will find bugs. And that's also very valuable to prepare the team, especially also for the customer support. In the mid-sized company sizes, also a lot of customers are not capable to build up the teams with that competences. And here the application development center can play a key role to provide the competences, especially this next generation technology mastering, like AI algorithms, like sensor fusion, like selection of the right sensor set for a specific use case, is where the application development center can play a crucial role.